What's up, guys? It's Thought About Legendary Joe. So back in another video today. I will show you guys how to install a front lip into a Dodge Charger, Challenger, Chrysler 300, Durango, Trackhawks, anything that you have. I'm gonna teach you guys how to install it. So make sure you guys watch the video if you want to learn how to install the front splitter. I will give you guys step by step on how I did it on the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned in and tap into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. So you guys have to take them out the box. Whenever you guys take them out the box, there will be 4 different pieces. One from the top, one from the bottom, 2 on the side, and then 1 on the right and 1 on the left. So that's why there's 4 pieces. So make sure you guys have 4 pieces before you start the whole process. And the good thing about it is they also come with screws, so you don't have to worry about going and buy screws online. They already ready to go screws, so you guys good with that. You don't have to worry about it for real. Okay, this is how the bottom should look. So basically you're gonna have this little part go underneath the one that goes at the very top. So it's easy. Like, you'll be able to understand like how it goes. So this part's gonna go underneath, and there's a little button that go in there. You can just push it down and it's gonna click on. It's gonna clip on. So let me show you guys. Like, the button's like right here. So you just gotta go in, add the little gray screws, and the longer black ones, they are for the outside part. So because they're longer, so it's easier to actually put them in the car and like drill it in the bottom of the car. So now that I have all the screws in, now I'm finna go add this side part. So, and all you really need for this is a drill to make sure that you drill down the screws and everything so they all can stay together and still be able to stay in the car and keep the whole thing strong. So just a drill is all you really need for it. And it'll be easier to have someone else, but if you don't, it'll be fine. You just gotta make it work out. As you guys can tell, I'm all done with everything. So this is how it looked after the whole process got done with the screws and everything and whatnot. So this is how it's going to look when it's on the car. Now I'm about to go outside, get the car ready to install it. This is what the car looks like without it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little good idea of what it looks like without it, and like what it's going to look like. So make sure you guys look so you can see the final result of how it turns out. You guys already know this thing about to be crazy. Right now it's currently dirty. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, like, it's hella dirty, but I wanna make sure I clean the bottom and everything and whatnot. So let's get back into it. I just got done cleaning the bottom of the car where the splitter is going now. I'm about to get the car lifted and start the whole process. You guys can tell. Like, I'm just letting it dry right now. So we just got done doing the hardest part of the day, was lifting the car. And now I'm about to try to do the second hardest thing by myself, putting this lip on. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm finally not done with the splitter. As you guys can tell, this is how it looks. But my car is still up, so I'm about to lower it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks when it's actually on the ground. So let's lower the thing. Here you guys go. Here's the final look. I ain't gonna lie, this thing snapped. Like the whole thing looks perfect, like no cap. Like I really like how this turned out. It just makes the car look so much better too. For like the whole process, I started around like 3:45, 3:50, and right now it's, hold on, give me a second. Right now it's only 5:22 whenever I'm recording this. So like it took me about an hour, like a 2 hours just to install this by myself. So it's actually really doable. Oh, let me turn the car off. Make sure you guys go tap in with the board. So like, it's actually doable if you guys wanna install it for yourself. Like, I will leave the link down below for you guys if you guys are actually wanting to get the same exact one. I will put the link down below for you guys to go look. It's actually on Amazon, so if you look up front lip or front splitter, you will see it down below. And yeah, it looks just like this. Like, it's super nice. I really like how like all those designs, like the 4 little bars in the front, it just gives it the look that I was going for, because I was thinking about putting the little 2 sticks in the front, but I don't know. Like the ones I seen on Amazon, I didn't really like how they look. So I just ended up getting them because I thought this one was the best one of like how it's gonna give the car a different look. But I ain't gonna lie, I really like how this turned out. I didn't know it was gonna be this clean, but it makes the car look so much better. Like, honestly, just look at it. I wish if I had a white body, it would be 10 times better. Like, no cap. But I appreciate you guys for like watching the video and staying tuned in. So I'm gonna give you guys the best videos possible. I'm gonna stay locked in for you guys, and let's keep going. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.